Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to prepare for year end using Gusto. Now the end of the year can be hectic, but Gusto makes it easier to wrap up your payroll and tax tasks smoothly. So let's get into it. First step, review employee information. So you want to check that all employee details are up to date: names, addresses, social security numbers, and email addresses. This ensures that the W-2s and 1099s are accurate. Step 2, verify payroll totals. So Gusto automatically calculates year-to-date totals, but it's good to double check bonuses, reimbursements, and off-cycle payments before year end. Step 3, approve year-end forms. Now, Gusto prepares W-2s and 1099s for your teams. You're going to receive a prompt to review and approve them before they're sent to the IRS and your employees. Step 4, order physical copies if needed. Now, if your employees prefer paper forms, Gusto gives you the option to request mailed copies of their W-2s and 1099s. Step 5, download your year-end reports. Now, use Gusto's inbuilt reports to get payroll summaries, tax filings, and benefits contributions. These are helpful for accounting and future planning. Step 6, stay aware of deadlines. So Gusto reminds you of key tax filing deadlines so you never miss a due date during this busy season. So that's pretty useful. So with everything squared away, you can enter the new year with peace of mind, knowing that your payroll and taxes are in perfect order. And that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.